Amazing returns. Today at February 19, you just made $4,400. I just made $44,000. Guys, first trade recap, quick swap. I shared this trade in the private list right here, February 15. We bought this coin for $56 and you put a sell order right here at daily resistance 120. I made $11,000 in this single trade. Trade crypto members made 1100%. Next trade recap, Cocos. Cocos was impressive move. I shared this trade in the private list on February 17. We bought this coin for 91 cents and you put a sell order right here. Daily resistance $2.50, 176%. I made 150%. I made $15,000. But the whole idea about this coin is specifically the way the pump works. First, we had the pump, the volume pump or volume spike right here on February 16 around 7 p.m. guys. If you go to my software, like I mentioned, in order to find those coins, my software calculates volume spike plus buyer power. Let me show the trades I share in the private list on the last 3 days. Like I mentioned, we just trade quick swap, Cocos, BCX, Solve, price went up 76%, Conflux went up 685%, insane return guys. Conflux, keep it, V31 price went up 50% and Powerpool price went up 72%. Guys, $44,000 just me made on the last 3 days. Like I mentioned before, my software is focused on volume guys. Take a look at this volume, 158 million. Cocos, 885 million. Solve, $39 million. Conflux, $394 million. Keep 81 million dollars and $188 million in Pulse. If you'd like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My software is tracking 3,000 coins with more volume guys. We focus on coins we are running flat in price and volume spike, and we buy before the pump and sell up high. The reason I share my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. By the way, let's talk about Bitcoin today. If you remember, for trade crypto members, I recommend to buy Bitcoin right here around $16,000 and 500. So far we are up to 24,700, almost 50%. Was amazing returns. When you become a member, I will teach you the strategy as a swing trade. You can use this strategy to trade cryptocurrency and stock market too. So, and I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos because we are track them. The main cryptos will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Solana, Polygon, Polkadot, and Shiba Inu. Guys, remember, I got a Twitter account. Okay, if you want to keep yourself updated about Bitcoin price and everything, I put everything in my Twitter account. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My Twitter account is tradecrypto. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. If you like to get those trades in real time, you already know. Give me a like this video and share, and let's trade together because together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed and wonderful Sunday. Thank you. Bye.